Ashley, my mom. Here's Grandma's pen.
Now clean up this mess or you're fired!
You know who else lives in their car? Your mom!
You idiots!
Is it more boring than my fist in your face?
Here's a list of things we need done. When you finish them, you'll get your money.
Dude, I'm fading fast. Don't worry, dude. We just gotta fight it with coffee.
Look at your face. It must really eat you up inside to not be able to prove you're a better liar than me. Because
shower.
you can't prove nothing. You can't prove anything.
Every time I see you, my feelings get deeper. I miss you.
Everything that happens here is my fault.
But I can't.
Fight hard!
Oh!
That's it. I done work. You said Freddy.